Ikot, ikot, dali, go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. And then, pasa sa kasunod. Pasa sa kasunod. Okay, okay. Nakuuna na ang team B, okay? Isa pa? Okay, may isa pang iikot sa team A. Okay, go, 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 go. Dali, dali, dali. Ay! Yay! Ang nanalo ay ang team B. Good job naman. Appear daw po, appear. Very good, appear po. Okay. Okay, get ready. 3, 2, 1, go! Okay, run, 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 run. Go, 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 go. Okay, run. Go, 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 go. Okay, go, 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 go. Okay, okay, you're next. Oh, nanalo na ang team A. Nanalo lang ang team A. Very good naman. Pero siya, team. Okay, meron pa tayong isang round. Okay, get ready. Wala ang ating team A. May winner na tayo. Hindi sir, nakadalawang ito po. Ay, dalawang ito po yung isang kid sir. Okay, dito po tayo. Okay, team B dahil winner ang team A, bibigyan po natin sila ng 5 clubs. Okay, get ready and 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good job! Siyempre, team A, bibigyan din naman natin ang team B ng 3 clubs dahil sinalingan din naman nila. Okay, naganahin nila din po sila dyan dahil meron pa tayo sa dance yung favorite niya, wala?
Fish. Wait, that's a fish. Hey.
Ano po yun? Shore Bombero? What's that? Shore Bombero? Where are you going? Saan mo pupunta? Ba't tayo ka nasunod? What's that?
There's a ball.